Caden. Oh, there's my big boy. Come here. Come on. Did you get your water? Oh. Is that your water, dude? Huh? Where are you going? Are you going in the kitchen? What are you putting in? No. What was that? Where's your water? Go get your water. Caden, go get your water. There you go. Put it in your mouth. You got it? No. No trash. No.